guys, what's up my awesome, amazing, wonderful, super cool YouTube family. Okay, so I'm making a little video here today. I'm trying something I've never tried before. Well, a food item I've never tried before. This is the Frontera brand chicken fajita skillet. It has grilled chicken breast with chipotle fajita sauce, which I'm not too sure about that, onions and peppers. It says it's medium. So, yeah, I'm not good with hot stuff, or even like warm stuff is too hot for me. So, I'm not sure if the sauce is like in a separate packet or not. If it is, I may not add it at all. So, but according to the directions here, it says heat a 10-inch non-stick skillet over medium-high heat until hot, about 2 minutes. And 1 tablespoon of canola oil, which all I have is vegetable oil. That'd be good enough. And skillet meal to the skillet. Cook 10 to 12 minutes, stirring occasionally until sauce is thickened. And it says check the food is cooked thoroughly to 165. Careful it's hot. So, I had never done this before, never made this before, but we're going to see what this is like. And so, I have some Mama Lupe's flour tortillas, the soft taco size right here, ready. I have a little bit of lettuce I can put on it, and cheese, and sour cream, all the good stuff. So, we're going to see how this goes, okay? So, stay tuned. Okay, so I dumped the contents of the bag into a bowl, and I don't see a sauce packet or any separate sauce container at all. So, yeah, it might be too hot of a meal for me to actually eat, but I'm gonna see what I can do. Okay, so let's I let this skillet heat up for 2 minutes on medium heat. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the 1 tablespoon of oil to the cauliflower. Here we go. And then dump the contents in. This is what it looks like right here. Okay. Ooh, a little more there. Okay. Woo, that's cold. Okay. Now, grab my spatula here. I think it says to heat for, let's see, 10 to 12 minutes. So, I'm going to set my timer for 12 minutes. Okay. This is part of the sauce right here. Well, that's part of the sauce. That's too dark to be chicken. That might be part of the sauce right there. I'll leave it in. I'll leave it in just in case I'm wrong. I'll leave it in. If it's too hot, I'll just use extra sour cream and drink lots of pop with it. The package does say keep this frozen until it goes into the skillet. There's no defrosting, there's no nothing like that. So, yeah. So we're gonna see how this goes here. It's still pre-frozen into a block. Several things here are frozen. I really do like fajitas a lot. There's something I really enjoy eating, and but I'm not sure about this one because of the heat level, but just even a lot of mild sauces are too hot for me. So I have a very sensitive palate, apparently. So there we go. Break that up a little bit. Break that up a little bit. Good. Okay. Break this up a little bit if I can. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna leave the sauce in there. We're just gonna take a chance on this here. We're just gonna see what happens. Does it say on here to... Okay. Medium-high heat. Yeah. It doesn't say to turn the heat up at all, so... I am gonna turn it up a little bit, though. Just a smidgen. Okay. Just a smidgen. You wanna know where I got that from? I got that from an old classic Disney, I don't know if it's a movie or not, but it's called Winnie the Pooh and Tigger 2. Classic old Disney cartoon, and it's one thing, Tigger jumps too high and is scared to come down. And once he comes down safely, the rabbit said, remember your promise not to bounce. He says, you mean I can't bounce at all? And the rabbit says, no. And he says,
not even just one teensy weensy bounce? Not even a smidgen of a bounce.
That's where I got that from. You know a lot from Disney cartoons, trust me. Yeah, this has grilled chicken with the chipotle fajita sauce, and it has onions and peppers. And it does look good. It does smell good too, guys. I will say it does smell good. Now, because I am me, I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic powder. Okay. And oops. And a little bit of onion powder. Come on. There you go. Okay. Okay, those are about the only seasonings that I use. So, how are we doing on time? We got 8 minutes left. Okay. Whew. It's looking good. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and stop recording because I don't think you need to see 8 minutes of this. So I'm going to go ahead and stop recording and I'll come back when it's done. Okay guys, it is done. I checked the temperature of the chicken several times and it got as high as 140. And so I'm like, you know what, I'm okay with not being 165. I'm okay with being a little bit undercooked, maybe. But it looks good. The only person whose health and safety I'm risking is my own, and I'm okay with that. So it's at 140 degrees, supposed to be 165. I'm like, you know what, I'm not going to wait long enough for it to be 165. I'm very hungry. So let me get this transition over, and I'll show you what my next step is. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some sour cream on it first. Y'all know me, I love sour cream. If you don't like sour cream, you don't have to put them on there. But I like sour cream, so put sour cream on there. Okay. Good. And then, get some of this. Yeah. Okay. This big lettuce leaf here. Put that on there, okay, and then spoon this yummy mixture on top here. Sorry guys, my camera angles are not very good, but I'm sure you come to expect that from me by now. You know, my camera angles are not going to be that good, so. Boop, boop. Okay. And then some cheese. Just realizing I made it a little bit too thick. Oh well. That's okay. That's just gonna be a big, gigantic one. Okay, next one. Alright. Repeat the same thing. I'm I'm gonna go ahead and stop recording because you know what the drill is here. So I'll be back when I have them all done. Okay, guys, I got it all done. I have 3 fajitas here, and it looks so good. We'll see how hot they are. A little bit scared. Okay. Mmm. 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 I don't taste any heat or spiciness like right away. You know what I mean? It's sweeter than I thought it'd be. It's a bit sweeter than I thought it'd be. But it's so good. It's so good. Again, I'm sensitive to heat in food, spiciness in food, and I didn't taste any overt, obvious heat at all. So this is so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and go and eat because I am hungry. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day, guys. Mwah.